Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to JavaScript variables. Before we start, I will define briefly what JavaScript variables really are. A variable is a container for a value, like a number that we might use in a sum, or a string that we might use as a part of a sentence. Let's take a look at an example where we have a variable declared. In this example, number is a variable declared with a var keyword. This means that the variable number holds the value of 5. Also important to know is that in JavaScript we have different keywords. The most used keywords for variables are let, const and var. The let keyword defines variables with a restricted scope. The const keyword, on the other side, allows you to define a variable that cannot be reassigned. Because it is a little complicated to describe the differences between these keywords, and because they are not supported in older browsers, we will most often use var keyword. Let's take a look at this example. We have declared two variables and we have given to them different values. We have also created a new variable named value total. The value of the new variable is the addition sum of the first two variables, which is 7. This means that we can use variables in expressions and to hold the values just like in algebra. Let's move into the practice. Here I'm going to show you more on how the let keyword works. So I'm going to declare a variable with the let keyword called x. And this variable will have the value of 1. After that, I'm going to create an if statement with a true condition. This means that if x is equal to 1, which is true, x will get a new value which will be 2. Inside this block, we will also console log the x variable. We are also going to console log the x variable, but this time outside the block. And if we save it, we will go to console and we will see we will get different output. The first output will be 2 and the second output will be 1. The reason why this happens is because inside the if block, the x variable has another value since the condition is true. But outside the if block, the x variable has still the old value, which is 1. If we will do the same thing with var keyword, we will only get 2. This is because var keyword makes us possible to change the x variable outside the block, let keyword on the other hand not. That's it. I hope I was able to help you. Thanks for watching.